Have you ever wanted to share your gaming skills, vlogs, or even tutorials, but don't know where in the world to start? I'm Alexander Lemmers, and I will teach you guys how to record in OBS and upload it to YouTube. As a person who has done this for a few years now, I have the first-hand knowledge of how the process works. Whether you're a student, gamer, educator, or even an aspiring YouTuber or content creator, knowing how OBS works is pretty vital for reaching a wider audience. Okay, now that we downloaded and set up all that stuff, we're gonna first download OBS Studios, then we'll configure all the settings, and then we'll finally upload it to YouTube when it's ready. Okay, let's start by downloading OBS Studios. Okay, go to your search engine. I use Microsoft, but you can use any other search engine you want. Type in OBS Studios download, and it should be the first tab right here. You want to click that, and you'll be greeted by three different icons. This is for Windows people, this is for Apple people, and I'm not sure about this. Depending on which one you use, operating system, you'll choose that, and you'll have to go through a bunch of yeses or nos, and then once that happens, your app will be downloaded, and then from there, once it's downloaded, you will then configure all this stuff, and then it will be time to open up OBS Studios. So now go to the OBS Studios that you tap. I'm already on here, but you guys aren't. Anyways, once you get here, you'll be greeted with a blank screen and a blank source one. What you want to do is for the pictures, you would want to do display capture, game capture, or window capture. For audio settings, you would want to do audio input and output, so that way you can pick up your voice. And then to add your webcam, you would go to the plus and add video capture device. And since I'm using a webcam, I have the Logitech Brio, so I will put that as that, and you can customize it however you like, which is a great thing about OBS Studios. And yeah, that's about it. Now now that we have it solved, let's move on to configuring the settings to ensure that we have high quality videos produced. Okay, once you open up OBS Studios, you want to um, once you added all that stuff and you know that everything looks correct, you want to then start the recording. How you do this is you go to start recording. In this case, it doesn't say start recording because I'm already recording, but you get it. And then once do whatever you want with your video, and when you're finished with your video, you'll hit stop recording. Then a video will be sent to your file, which is at the very top far left, and you'll see a thing called show recordings. And that thing, it'll show your newest recording all the way, normally it's the first one, and then you'll have to save that to a file because that will be very important to know where it's at later on. And after you've done that, it's time to move on to go into YouTube. Now, go onto your browser and search YouTube, and you'll be either sign in, or if you already signed in, that's good. Then you'll want to hit go to create, and you'll hit upload video. From here, you'll be greeted with the thing that says select files. That's why I said you're going to need to know which file. Select the file and hit open. You'll be greeted with the thing that says title and summary. You'll fill all that out and all the other stuff. And you'll see a button that says publish down here. Of course, it doesn't show because I don't have a video up on there, but it'll be down here. Now that you have learned how to upload a video from OBS Studios into YouTube, let's review what we have learned. Today we learned how to set up OBS Studios and configure all the settings and upload the videos to YouTube. By following the steps, you can easily create and share your content with the world. And remember, guys, with the right tools and knowledge, you can turn your ideas into engaging videos that reaches a global audience. Have a good one, guys, and enjoy.